Tonight, mostly cloudy. Showers and thunderstorms likely in the evening, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows around 70. South winds 5. Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, western McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near McChesney Park to near Cherry Valley to 6 miles northeast of Hillcrest, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Belvedere and Cherry Valley around 3:30 p.m. Loves Park, Candlewick Lake, and Timber Lane around 3:35 p.m. Poplar Grove around 3:40 p.m. Kingston around 3:45 p.m. Capron around 3:50 p.m. Genoa around 3:55 p.m. Harvard around 4 p.m. Baringo around 4:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Fairdale, Garden Prairie, Kemen, Union, and Caledonia, including the following interstate: Interstate 90 between mile markers 19 and 40. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's weather.